This is gonna be Mockingbird. Yeah. I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now. But hey, what Daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier. Be a man. What you crying about? You got me. You got me. So bad. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad, but I'm gone. But I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes. You feel sad, you wanna cry, but you're scared. I ain't there. Daddy's with you with your prayers. No more crying, wipe no tears. Daddy's here, no right there. We gon' both together through it. We gon' do it. Lady uncle's crazy, and yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know. Whoa, we got in this world when it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in a daze. I know what's confusing you. Daddy's always on the move, Mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but sometimes it seems the harder that I try to do that, the more it backfires on me. All the things Daddy had to see, Daddy don't want you to see, but we used to just as much as needed. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me, but things have got so bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we were teenagers. But then of course everything already happens for a reason. I guess it wasn't never meant to be, but it seems something that we have no control of, and that's me. But no worries, but no more. He's gonna try to ruin all the good dreams now. Little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Sipping out of a lip, little lady. I told you, Daddy's gonna hold you through the night.
Drunk with it.
And Mama's not here right now, and you don't know why. You feel how it feels like. Seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and Daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped his presents and stuck them under the tree, and so some of them were from me, cause Daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I spent up the whole night crying, cause Daddy felt like a bum. See, Daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and Mom. And at the time, every house I lived in either kept them getting broken into and robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was trading money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you so you could go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke it and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart. And it seems like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and Dad was arguing a lot, so Mom went back to the cameras in a flat and one-bedroom apartment, and Daddy went back to the 8 Mile Navarra. And that's when Daddy went to California with the CD and met Dr. Dre. I flew you and Mama out to see me, but Daddy had to work, you and Mama had to leave. Then I started seeing Daddy on the TV, and Mama didn't like it, and you and Lady were too young to understand that Papa was a Rolling Stone. Mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grasp it. I'm sorry if you were dead and had to witness it firsthand, cause I wanted to do it and make you proud. Now I'm sitting in a lonely house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby's pictures, and it tripped me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sister now. Wow, guess it's pretty much all. Daddy's still here, Lady, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here, I like the sound of that, yeah. It got way to it, don't it? Mama's only gone for the moment. Hush, little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Sipping out up on the lip, little lady. I told you, Daddy's gonna hold you through the night. I know Mommy's not here right now, but we don't know why. I feel how you feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise Mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask, Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'm gonna give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if that mockingbird don't sing and the ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I'll go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya and make you mean you ever care. It's a fucking dad. Yeah! Yeah!